Hey guys, today we talk about how can you get premium on your the water channel app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on or enter down here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here in app. Then it's going to take us here in this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on your name. You come to this list, then you just go down here, click here on Go Premium here. So then you come to this list, it's going just switching to open video here. So then here can you choose price you want to get here. Just choose if you want to add yearly or monthly here. Then add so your card information, then it's going to add video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.